Okay, guys, we gotta figure out what it is.
No.
Whoa, what the heck kind of truck is that, bud?
No.
It sounds big. I don't think it's a monster truck, do you?
Yeah. Oh.
Whoa, is that Mac from Cars? I thought so. It's a tractor trailer. Cool. Oh my gosh, we found a zombie monster truck now. This is kind of scary. Run, run, there they are, they're up to trouble. Run, run, run.
Yummy.
Zombie, zombie, run. Okay kids, today we're going to learn about Megalodon. Largest known predator in history. Extinct for 2.6 million years. Whoa! 12,000 pounds? Holy cow, Megalodon is 17 feet long. Holy cow. This is the number 4. Megalodon can jump 30 feet in the air? What? Okay, this is number 5. Okay kids, remember to brush your teeth, listen to your parents, just always be good, have fun, and come back. Let us know what you want to see. Hopefully you had fun. Bye.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26,